you want to play with me? Yes, you want to play. Okay. Whatever you want to play. You want to play Tigger? You want Tigger? Tigger.
Rubbing your face or head close to your cat. It might happen when you're lying on the couch, resting your forehead near theirs, or maybe leaning in for a snuggle. To you, it's a sign of closeness, but to your cat, it looks exactly like a head bunt. Head bunting is a powerful social signal in the cat world. Cats do it with other cats they trust deeply. It's not just affection, it's a form of scent marking.
You want Tigger? You want Tigger? Tigger. Tigger. Wow. Nice. Nice. Okay. Aw. It's okay, honey. Mama will be back in 2 later. Okay. I know you don't want Mama to go. So we'll be together again soon, okay? Miss you so much, Emma. Love you. Yes, you love me too. Yes. Yes, love you. Love you.